In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Wi-Fi icon missing from taskbar in Windows 10 PC or laptop. If you are missing Wi-Fi icon on taskbar, as we can see here, not Wi-Fi icon. So to show and to enable Wi-Fi icon, so firstly click on Start and type taskbar settings. Click on taskbar settings. Scroll down and click on Turn System Icons on or off. Here you will see option Network. So turn on this network option and you will see Wi-Fi icon is appear. If it not work, so click on this second option, select which icons appear on the taskbar. And in here you need to find out network option and turn on. And friends, still you are facing error and Wi-Fi icon is not appear. So close it. Now right click on taskbar and click on Task Manager. Scroll down and find out Windows Explorer, this one. So click on it and click on Restart and close it. And friends, still this problem is not resolved. So try last method. Press Windows key plus R. Now you need to type gpedit gpedit.msc and make OK. Now you will see local group policy editor is opened. Now expand administrative templates. Now click on Start menu and taskbar. So double click on it and in here. Now in here you need to find out remove network icon from Start menu. So double click on it and in here select disabled. Then click on Apply. Then OK. Now close it and restart your PC. Hopefully using this simple method, Wi-Fi icon missing issues will be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.